Hello everyone, I'm Pranay and today I'm going to show you how to design a website using HTML5. In this we're going to use some form elements as well as media elements as you can see here. Okay, let's go and check out the page. Check out the mockup page. So this is a mockup page, okay, in which there is links and audio control, media elements. These are some form tags. Then this is the main form. This will be done in another HTML document. So let's do it. Let's open our NetBeans. So I've already made the HTML document. Let's see what I've put in it. So in first, the head tag, in which all the details will be mentioned, and yeah, in the body tag, I've created a header section. In that header section, I've created one division. In that division, I've put an image, logo, and name section. In that company name, and I've closed the division and the header too. Another navigate section in which all the list items where you get all the links placed, and in the AV section, which is one more division, in that I've put my paragraph, the audio controls. Here the audio have the immediate elements are audio controls is the attribute. In that source SRC, I've put a song type which is of audio MP3, and similar in video controls ONI, that's the video's name and its type of video slash mp4. This is how you put video elements. Now in the footer section, as you have seen the mockup page, there were some address lines and mail to that you can put as a href mail to whatever you just put the mail id there. And for telephone you just put TEL colon and whatever number you want to put. You can put a form section. In that there is a form that we've used as you've seen in the mockup page. So this is the first page. In that you have also seen a image map. Okay, so let's see how does it look. I'm gonna run this. So as you can see, this is the company name, the logo, the paragraph, all the links, the audio control, the video. Let's see if the audio works. See the you can see I can see if you can listen, the audio works. If you can't, then I'm sorry. And let's see the video if the video plays. Yeah, you can see as the video is playing. It's a pretty funny video. If you see, you can watch it on YouTube. And here are some address lines, mail to, and this is the form and the image map. This is our first first HTML page. Let's see a form page. In the form page, we have used lots of form elements. So let's briefly see what is there. Just I'll show you a glimpse of everything. So I'll use the form tag. Okay. In the first form tag, my personal details. I'll put a label. In that, I'll put input type is of text, and placeholder is first name, and it is required. Required shows that this text box is very important. As in, you can't leave it blank. You have to fill it. Otherwise, it show some alert message. And same for all the details. Here for gender, I've used a input type of radio button, and here for date of birth, I've used an input type of date. Okay. In the HTML page, you can see a meter in which you can see how much percent of the form is completed. That is I've put that in one division. Next again, the address, and address I've put in text area because I need some rows and columns. Placeholder is of so and so type, and type your address here. I've put as yes. Now in label states, I've used select. In that I've given options. There can be variable options, and the value for each option I have given. And last is the zip code label. That was the second division. The third division, and after every division I've put a meter that shows how much percent of the form is completed. Now in the third division there's contact information. You can get the contact information: telephone, input type tel, mobile input type tel, email input type email, placeholder, whatever you want to use, and for website you are using input type URL. Then again a meter. And in the fourth column we're using education details, table. I've used a table, qualification, border, order, and these are all under the form tag. In that input type checkbox, then input type text, board, university, placeholder, board, or university, whatever you want. And that I also given an option. I'll show you these all in the main HTML document. So let's see this document. They're all form elements. This is how you can create a form. One more thing I would like to show you: input type file. If you use an input type file, you can actually attach a file with a. Actually, you can upload a file to the document, and that you can store in some database if you want to do that. And to submit your form, you can use submit, type submit, and to reset your form, you have to use type reset. Now let's check out this thing. See, we have first name, middle name. This is a form. Okay, this is all styled through CSS, which I will show you later. Let's see how it works. So I type my name, Pranay. I type Sthala, my surname, date of birth. I'll put something. Customer, I'll put something. Then age in years, I'll put 20. Gender, male. I'll type my address here. Something. Let's choose my state as AP. Tamil Nadu. I'll choose this as Tamil Nadu for now. Only 6 numbers. I'll write something. Then I'll move. The 40% meter is completed. Like that, you can fill in all the details. I'll try to submit the resume. Let's see, I've left a required field without entering some value, so it shows some error. I'll put some value. Now try to submit it. It is submitted. Okay, as I've told you, I'll show you about the educational details form. So in that qualifications, there's a checkbox for 10th. I can put some in the board, and there's a select an option for this. Then the date, input type date for this, and ending year and all that. And then you can put your whatever you want, 20%. And if you want to attach your resume, just put browse. Since you have used the file type, you can now upload any of your files. I'm uploading something. For example, I'm uploading a ticket in this case. I've uploaded the link also, the URL also. Not URL, what do you call this? The path also came, and I can submit this account and just submit it. But I've left my name and all that required fields. I can also reset this if I want. So let me reset it, and it is reset. This was the HTML form elements, and we have seen the media elements before. Let's see how we style this. This was styled using CSS. I've used body header section. Normally mostly I've used float, overflow, width. Display type is of inline block for the navigation section, and the AV section width and the padding. All the normal CSS stuff I've used just to design it, and that's it. And what is the CSS for this form? Let's see. It is CSS dots. And there's nothing in the font. This a simple styling has been used for font family, margin padding, margin padding, border, and alignment, text align is center, and simple stuff. And that's it. How I complete my second experiment. Hope you guys have learned something or gained some knowledge from it. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye bye.